In this video, we will explore how Claude can effectively decode and document legacy systems, enhancing your skills in modernization and compliance.
Did you know that over 75% of global financial transactions still run on legacy systems? Legacy systems, despite their age, are the backbone of many operations worldwide. But understanding these systems can be daunting. That's where Claude comes in. In this video, we're going to demystify how Claude can help you decode and document legacy systems effectively, setting the stage for modernization and compliance. Whether you're an IT professional or a business analyst, mastering this skill is invaluable. Stick around, because we're going to dive deep into the world of legacy systems and show you how to use Claude to navigate this intricate landscape.
Legacy systems are older software or hardware platforms still in use, despite the availability of newer technology. They often run critical operations in sectors like banking, government, and healthcare. Despite their reliability, these systems pose significant challenges, including compatibility issues and high maintenance costs. Yet, they remain integral due to the massive investment in their development and the stability they provide. Understanding the intricacies of these systems is essential for successful integration and modernization efforts. In this block, we'll break down the anatomy of legacy systems and explore why they remain a topic of interest and concern in the digital age.
Claude offers an intuitive platform for mapping out the architecture of legacy systems. Its visual tools allow you to diagram complex system relationships and components, making it easier to understand and communicate how these systems function. By using Claude, you can create comprehensive system maps that highlight dependencies, data flows, and integration points. This not only aids in documentation but also facilitates smoother transitions during modernization projects. We'll walk through practical examples of how Claude can be used to map a legacy systems architecture, highlighting its role in streamlining the documentation process.
Identifying the key components of a legacy system is crucial for effective management and modernization. Claude simplifies this process through its analytical tools, which help pinpoint critical system elements such as databases, user interfaces, and middleware. Understanding these components allows for informed decision-making when planning upgrades or integrations. With Claude, you'll learn to analyze and document these components thoroughly, ensuring that no critical aspect is overlooked. This block will delve into the methodologies for using Claude to dissect legacy systems, highlighting the benefits of a detailed component analysis. System dependencies are often the most challenging aspect of working with legacy systems. They can pose risks during upgrades or migrations if not properly understood. Claude provides robust tools for assessing these dependencies, helping you identify potential risks and plan accordingly. By mapping dependencies, you can strategize upgrades that minimize disruption to business operations. This block will explore how to leverage Claude's features to conduct thorough dependency assessments, ensuring a smooth transition from legacy systems to modern solutions. We'll cover techniques for identifying and documenting dependencies, and discuss how to use this information to mitigate risks effectively.
Documenting workflows is a crucial element of legacy system management, ensuring that operations are clearly understood and communicated. Claude offers powerful tools for creating detailed workflow diagrams, which can enhance both clarity and communication within teams. Effective documentation supports compliance efforts and provides a solid foundation for process improvements. In this segment, we'll guide you through using Claude to document legacy system workflows, offering tips and best practices to ensure your documentation is both comprehensive and useful. Learn how to create documents that facilitate understanding and support ongoing modernization efforts.
Documenting legacy systems is fraught with challenges, including incomplete records, outdated information, and lack of detail. These pitfalls can hinder modernization efforts and lead to costly errors. Claude's comprehensive documentation tools help avoid these issues by ensuring that documentation is thorough, accurate, and up-to-date. In this section, we will identify common pitfalls in legacy system documentation and demonstrate how Claude can help overcome them. We'll provide strategies to ensure your documentation remains a valuable resource for your organization, supporting both current operations and future modernization projects.
Modernizing legacy systems is a complex task that requires meticulous planning and execution. Claude plays a pivotal role in this process by providing tools that link thorough documentation to strategic modernization efforts. By streamlining integration processes and ensuring compliance and security, Claude enhances operational efficiency. This block will explore how Claude supports modernization from planning through to execution, offering insights into how its features can be leveraged to facilitate seamless transitions. We'll discuss the importance of documentation in modernization and how Claude ensures that your legacy systems are ready for the future. To illustrate the power of Claude in legacy system documentation, we'll examine several real-world case studies. These examples highlight the challenges faced by organizations and how Claude's tools were instrumental in overcoming them. From banking to healthcare, Claude has facilitated successful documentation efforts, leading to smoother modernization processes and enhanced operational efficiency. This block will delve into these success stories, extracting valuable lessons and insights that can be applied to your own documentation projects. By understanding these case studies, you'll gain a deeper appreciation of Claude's capabilities and its impact on legacy system management. As we've seen, Claude is an invaluable tool for understanding and documenting legacy systems. From mapping architecture to assessing dependencies, Claude streamlines complex processes, paving the way for successful modernization. We encourage you to start using Claude in your legacy system management efforts. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on legacy systems and IT management. Thank you for watching.